Hey you guys, happy to have you here today. I wanted to share with you some really just good makeup products that you can find. I found all of these at my local Walmart, so you probably can find it at your local Walmart as well. Either way, they are affordable drugstore makeup products that are really good quality. I don't know about you, but I don't have an unending budget where I can go and spend tons and tons of money on makeup. So I like to find practical makeup that's affordable, you know, around $10 or less per product, that's really good, works well, I don't have to question it, and there's nothing worse than buying makeup at the drugstore. You can't swatch it in store, you bring it home, you don't like it, you can't return it. So I'm here to let you know about products that are good products. I've tried them, I love them, I use them on a regular basis. Not to mention, a lot of beauty gurus here have mentioned a lot of the products that I'm going to tell you about today and like them very much as well. Now this is going to be great for if you're a beginner in makeup and you want to be able to buy products and have a full face of makeup but not spend a lot, or if you just love drugstore makeup and you're not sure what to buy and you just want some really good recommendations. I'm going to go through products that will give you a full face of makeup, and I'm going to start with foundation. There's usually two types of finishes you can go for. You can either go for a matte look or an illuminating look, and typically people with oily skin tend to go for more matte coverage, and people with dry skin like myself tend to veer towards an illuminated base product for the face. So if you're looking for a good matte coverage, full coverage foundation, then this Maybelline Superstay, it's a 24-hour foundation. I have mine in Natural Ivory. This is fairly new to the market and it's really good, and although I do have dry skin, I can still wear this and it doesn't look dry. It just looks very nice on the skin. And when I'm using a matte foundation, I tend to go for a pore eraser or pore filler primer. And this one by Maybelline, it's called Baby Skin. This is a decent face primer, and I consider it to be somewhat of a dupe for the POREfessional's Pore Filling Primer, which is a higher end face primer. Now this face primer is $5.94 at my local Walmart, and the Maybelline Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation is $9.98, so just under $10. Now if I'm going for an illuminated look for the day, I like to use this this little set from Physicians Formula. This is their Spotlight. It's a age-defying illuminating face primer. This stuff's really great. It gives your face such an illuminating finish glow to it. I also like to use this without a foundation and just wear this on my skin just to give it a nice glow. And then and this is also fairly new, and then the foundation that goes with it is their Healthy Foundation, and it does have an SPF of 20 and it's a brightening complexion. This, I would say, is closer to a medium coverage, but it's really nice and gives your skin a really nice finish. This Physicians Formula primer is $11.87, and the foundation is also $11.87. These are great products. They work very well together, give you a nice dewy finish. Or, you know, maybe you don't use foundation and you can just skip foundation altogether. That'll save you some money. And now moving on to concealer, one of my favorite drugstore concealers is by Maybelline, and it's called the Instant Age Rewind. This has some really nice skincare benefits as well. Now this contains goji berry and haloxyl, so it's just really good for helping those dark circles, and it has this little applicator tip, and it just goes on so nice, and it's a really nice consistency, and it blends in so quickly and so easily. Absolutely love this concealer. This concealer retails for $7.94. Now if you're a beginner in makeup, you might not want to even bother going the route of contouring, which is fine. You know, I don't do it on a daily basis. I don't wear foundation on a daily basis, and I do typically go for a more natural look as opposed to a full glam look. But if you did want to contour, this is a really good little contour kit here. You have your contour shade and then your brightening shade, which would be typically used under your eye just to give it a nice brightening effect. And this is Wet n Wild. It's called the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And this is $3.93, so just under $4. So it's a small investment if you wanted to play around and maybe start learning how to contour. This would be a great start for you. Now, as far as the concealer, one of my favorite powders to use from the drugstore is the Coty Airspun. This is a really great setting powder, especially for under the eyes after you apply your concealer. You can use this loose face powder, and this again is the Coty Airspun. This is such an amazing powder. It doesn't cake up. It doesn't, you know, make you look all dry under your eyes like a lot of products do. For me, because I already have dry skin, this is great. I love it. My favorite drugstore powder that I've tried, and it's very affordable. This retails for $5.97. A good bronzer and blush that's in a set, extremely affordable, is actually by e.l.f. And e.l.f. does carry a lot of really good quality products. You know, you have to find the right ones. Most of their products that I've used are really, really good. This is a little duo. It's called St. Lucia, and it has one side your bronzer and the other side's your blush. And I just think this is a really great duo. It's affordable, it blends nicely, really good formula, and I think it would be great if you're a beginner to makeup to get this set. The blush has a little bit of shimmer in there, so it gives you an illuminated look as well. I just really like this set from e.l.f., so I figured I'd recommend this one. And it retails for $4. e.l.f. makeup is so affordable, and so much of it is really, really good quality. Now I'm going to backtrack onto eyes. So you can either go for just a matte look where you blend a matte color in your crease and maybe bring it down onto your lid, something simple, natural. A really great palette, all-around palette for your mattes, and even if you're going to use a shimmer, you can start out with this palette for your crease and your outer V, and to give it the shading and the contour look to your eyelids. Is this palette right here by Milani, and it's called their Most Loved Mattes, and on the back it has all the shade names. And you open it up, and it does have a nice mirror, and then all your colors are here. So you have your neutral brown tones, you have your berry tones, and then you have your more warm shades. This is just a really great eyeshadow palette. You set your eye, you blend it into the crease, and then build your crease up and maybe darken the outer corners. This is just a really good formula. It blends very, very nicely. And it's great for any skill level at makeup because it's so blendable and easy to work with. And this, again, all of these I found at my local Walmart, and this was at Walmart, and it's $14.97 on the website, but at my at my local Walmart I actually got it for $12.97, so it was a little less expensive. And then if you're into shimmers and you don't want to stop at the mattes, and you want to, put a nice shimmer shade on your lid, then I highly recommend the L'Oreal Infallible. These are singular shimmer shadows, and they're so pretty. They go on so nicely. They're so vibrant, and you can either apply these with a nice, shader brush or with your fingertips. This is in the shade Iced Latte. They have all different shades. They have blues, purples, pinks, golds, whatever you're looking for, they have it. And yes, you're buying a single, so if you wanted a lot of different colors, it would be a little more expensive. These retail for $6.97. They're so good. They're a nice pressed pigment. So you open it up, and it has this little lid stopper, and then you can see how it's all pressed in there. And this color is just such a beautiful champagne shimmer. That's how it looks. And they're just so smooth and creamy and just go on so nicely. You get a lot of color payoff with these shadows. I love it. So beautiful. Whether you want a pop of color or you want a more neutral, subtle shade, these are definitely the way to go for that shimmer that you want on your eyelid. Now, for eyeliner, I tend to go for a light eyeliner, like a nude, something that's going to brighten up and open up my eyes as opposed to a black. And I found this is by Maybelline, and it's called Lasting Drama Light Liner, and it's almost like a champagne / bronze color. and it has like a metallic finish to it. And I put this on my eye, you know, on my waterline, and it just opens up and brightens my eyes so nicely. I absolutely love this eyeliner. I'm so glad I found it. I don't typically buy a lot of makeup without getting recommendations, watching other people's YouTube channels. This I just happened to see and I grabbed it, and I'm so glad I did. It's very easy to work with, and it lasts a very long time on the waterline, and that's what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful eyeliner. And it retails for $4.97. Now for a face highlighter, there are so many good drugstore highlighters. The one I'm going to recommend to you today is from Maybelline. I'm going for a lot of Maybelline here, but what can I say? It's a really good brand. And this is their Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. And this is like a pinky highlighter shade. These are really good. They have another one in gold. And I think they're beautiful. And that's what it looks like swatched. And so as you can see, it's very illuminating, and it's really beautiful on the skin, and it does not accentuate texture at all. Just a really, really good drugstore highlighter. And this retails for $7.94. Is a standard liquid lipstick, matte liquid lip, and it's by Physicians Formula, and it's part of their healthy line, like the foundation that I told you about. And this is the healthy lip, and this is like a velvety matte / velvet finish. They're very comfortable to wear. They last a long time. This is in the shade Dose of Roses. They have a ton of different colors, from nudes to brights and reds. And it has a nice like doe foot applicator. Now my favorite drugstore mascara is the Maybelline Total Temptation, and I get it in waterproof, but some people have a hard time with waterproof mascara because it tugs at their eyelashes. Find out what works best for you. I enjoy a waterproof, but they have this that's not waterproof in the regular formula, and it's just a really nice mascara. It gives you volume, it gives you length, it gives you curl, and it has one of those really nice fluffy brushes, which is my preference. And I just think it's a really beautiful mascara formula, and it retails for $7.97. So that is all of my drugstore recommendations that I have for you guys. I really hope that this is helpful for you, because I know when I started buying makeup, I was clueless. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know, and so many times I would purchase makeup, get it home, and not like it, and I'm stuck with it, and I spent that money, and that's just no fun. Whether you go the matte foundation route or the dewy foundation route, all of these products are just under $100, or skip foundation altogether, which I actually do on most days. You can achieve a natural finish, or you can achieve a full glam look with these products that I showed you here today, and I think that you will really enjoy them. And so let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these products that I showed you today, and if any of them are your favorites, what you think about them. And if you end up going out and trying some of these, please let me know, because I totally want to hear if you agree and you like these products as much as I do. I hope that this video was helpful for you. I love videos like this. It's very helpful for me. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye!